friends, welcome to my channel once again, and in today's video we will be learning how to upgrade your Windows 10 from version 1803 to 1903, which is the latest upgrade from Microsoft, which was released in May 2019. So in order to check which version of Windows 10 you have, please open up a run window, and you can do so by right clicking on that start button at the bottom left corner and then left click on run. In the run window you need to type WinVer, that is WINVER, and simply click OK or press enter. So do you see it is Microsoft Windows 10 version 1803. So we will be upgrading it to 1809. I'll close this. We will be using Windows Media Creation tool to download the latest upgrade. So open up your browser and simply search for Windows Media Creation tool. Click on the first link, or click on the link which has Microsoft website. There might be third-party links also. So there will be two options, update now or download tool now. So we'll be clicking on download tool now, and you will see at the bottom left corner, if you are using Google Chrome, it will show Media Creation Tool exe. Once the download completes, click on that arrow and open the file which we have downloaded. Click yes when you get the message to allow. Okay, so we will close the browser. So the very first thing you will get is the license. You need to accept it. Simply click on accept. On my computer it is taking little long. It may take less time on your computer. Then also it will be a time consuming process, may take up to an hour or more. So now the options we are getting: upgrade this PC now or create installation media. So we'll be clicking on the first option, which is by default selected, and click next. Now the download process has been started. It shows the progress. You can either minimize this and keep using your computer because it will not affect any of your work. Now it shows another progress bar from 0%, and it will be reaching 100%, so it will take more time, but it is the next step. Earlier it had downloaded, now it is verifying your download. May take some time but will not take that long, so stay tuned. Okay, another progress. Now it is creating Windows 10 media. Okay, so we are almost done here. Now now it says setup is cleaning up before it close. Okay, great. Prepare. Now it is preparing to install the updates. Okay, now this is one more process in upgrading. Right now it is checking, or it is looking for those updates which you had not installed. So now what exactly it is looking for are the updates which you or your computer did not install. So in order to upgrade, your computer needs to be up to date. We got the second license and agreement, so we'll have to accept. So we'll be clicking accept. It is on the next screen now. It is ready to install Windows 10 Pro. As soon as I clicked on install, it took me to this screen. So right now it is installing and it shows 0%. It will go to 100%. May take some time. Okay, so it got completed and the computer will be restarted now. Okay, I think it is going to shut down and will restart. Yeah. Okay, working on updates. Your PC will restart several times. During the process of working on updates, the computer may restart several times. Okay, so our computer has restarted. Now it is basically just setting up your computer. Okay, so the update has been completed and we will check the latest version now. And to check the version of Windows you have on your computer, hold down the Windows key and push letter R. Type WinVer and simply click OK. Great, so now we have Windows version 1903, which is the latest Windows 10 upgrade. We'll click OK to close. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please click the like button if you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more videos on technical issues. So I really need your help. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and you have a great day. Bye bye.